Welcome to the highest rated and fastest growing 6-point driving school. We offer professional, friendly and patient driving instruction suited to every student's needs. We understand that each student learns at a different pace, so we provide driving instruction to students of all abilities. We provide manual and automatic driving lessons, intensive driving courses. Our local driving instructor know all test routes, complex junction and know how to make you test standard as quick as possible. Our 6-point driving schools in Blackburn provide great, affordable driving lessons throughout Blackburn and local areas like Accrington, Barnoldswick, Barrowford, Brierfield, Burnley, Clitheroe, Colne, Darwen, Earby, Nelson, Newton, Oswaldtwistle, Padiham. Book your driving lesson with our Blackburn-based driving instructor today.